If the lighting will be good. And that one that's moving there, does that always work? Has it always been like that?
They always use just that one to move.
Ah. Okay. These are the Victorian steam engines that used to power the bridge. Not anymore though. What we have now, that's the old desk from that era as well. What we have now is it's all computerized, isn't it, Desmond?
Yeah.
It's all computerized now, but that engine's working away on demo. I won't be long, Desmond. I don't want to take too much of your time. High pressure cylinder, that says. High pressure cylinder. All kinds of other things are going. Bucket from the area as well. A water pump. Just gonna go around this area only. Where are the plaques that used to say what these things were and what they did? They're not there. Steam power, hydraulic power. That's more like it. Different languages. I'm gonna have to come back some other time and do it properly. Okay, this is a short one. Short tour. Fast fuel driving engine ram cylinder and crosshead assembly. That's what that is. Huge mighty things there. And these are some of the tools. Oh my word. Old tools. I'm gonna have to come back and do this properly. Packing presses used to compress tallow and hemp. Packing used in the pump. Tallow and hemp packing. So there you go. Thanks, Desmond.